Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariam and I came back with another DIY video. I know I haven't posted a DIY for quite a while. It's just that every video I want to have 3 projects for each video, and I had one project already done for a while. The other one, I just got stuck with the color. I was not sure what color to paint it. And I'm so indecisive, that's me. And the third one, I was like, okay, what should I do for the third one? It just took me a while to decide. I'm sorry about that, but here we are with 3 projects for you guys, and I hope you guys like them. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet for more projects and more videos to come. Let's start with the first project. For this project, it's a wreath, you guys. I made this one a while back. I wanted one for the fall and I made it. I loved it and I wanted to share it. It's just that I didn't want to just share one project in a video. Unless you want something like that, you let me know down below in comments if you want a video with just one project. For this project, what I needed is a wooden hoop that I got from Michael's and some faux plants. So when you have all the plants, the full plants that you want, you can also use plant if you want. I have also like some dried eucalyptus, some dried wheat that I got from a field, and you can always like add whatever you want. I just wanted something very simple, something very like minimalist, not like the big ones, so I didn't use much. Before you use a glue, a hot glue, or you can also use a wire to secure them with the hoop. You can arrange them first to have an idea of what you really want. So for me, I used a hot glue to secure them. I was actually thinking if I should spray paint the hoop in like golden color, and I just liked the color, like the natural color, and I just left it like that. It's a very easy process, and what I like about this one is that you can always customize, use any colors you want, use any kind of faux plants or even dried plants that you want, and they look really, really, really nice. You can hang it outside, like on your door, but you can also use it indoors, and I really liked it indoors, like in a wall, just like hanging in a wall. And this, guys, the first project. I really like it and I hope you guys like it. So let's go ahead and see the final result. Let's move on to the next project. I really liked this one. I saw it a while ago on Pinterest, and they spray painted it, and I love how you can use it in so many ways. So for this project, let me tell you what you need. You need 2 bowls. You can get some from home, the ones that you have, like old ones if you have them at home. I didn't have, because we just moved and I don't have a lot of stuff, so we only have what we use. So what you have to do now is to glue them. For gluing, I saw some people use hot glue, but for me it just didn't work, because by the time I go all around the bowl and I put the other one, it's already dry. So I tried that one, and also it's just like when you take it off, you can easily take it off. So I was like, it's not really secure. This glue that I use, is just says it's for everything, for wood, glass, and everything. It's just that it takes so much time to dry, so I left it overnight for like 24 hours to fully dry. I also saw some people using the glue E6000, and it works really good. It's just that I don't have it on me right now. I don't have it at home, and I didn't want to go buy it, and I just used what I have, and it just worked perfect. So after it's glued and it's dry, that's when it took me so long. I didn't know what color to go with, what texture to go with. I was actually planning on spray paint it, but then I was like, I really like the texture of the paint with baking soda, so I went with that again, and it just took me so much time to decide finally what I want. For the color, I just went with a neutral color. As always, I just love neutral colors, and it turned out really, really good. And for the third project, this is the project that took me so long to decide what I want to do. You know, when I do some project or some DIYs, I want something that I also can use in my space, not just something that I can film and then throw it, or like have nothing to do with it. So I wanted to think about something that I need in my space and I would use in my house. So I decided on making a throw pillow. Throw pillow again, yay! So for the throw pillow, I wanted something to have, I really want to add like a black accent to the living room. I found this piece of fabric in the thrift store. I really like the color, like the material, and I just bought it because I was like, I might need it for something, and it was really cheap. The thing is, I don't have a sewing machine, and I was like, can I do it like just hand sew it? Can I do that? I was like, yeah, maybe. Let's try that. I took one of the pillowcases that I have, and then I just put it on the top, and I drew like the square because I wanted the same size for the fill that I have. So since I don't have a sewing machine, as I told you, it was a challenge to do it by hand, but I was like, you know, I'm gonna make it work, and I really wanted to challenge myself and see if I can make it work. So I did it, and then I sewed like the edges of like 3 sides, and I left the one on the top because I don't know if I can do a zipper. I don't have a zipper, so I was like, you know, I will leave it like that until I put the fill inside and then sew it by hand on the top. So before I put the fill in, I wanted to have some design. So for the design, I decided to paint. I was looking at what kind of paint I can use on the top of cloth or any fabric, and it says acrylic paint is the answer. Fortunately, I have acrylic paint at home, so I just used a tape to help me with the lines, and then I painted with black. To use a pencil, put the paint on it and then add some dots. I was planning on putting the dots on the top of the line and then in the bottom, both sides of the line, and after I tried just one side, I just liked it the way it is, and I decided not to add more. So yeah, it turned out good, and I'm so proud of myself that I did it by hand. But next time, if I ever get a sewing machine, I would really be happy to make more and also add a zipper. But for now, I just like what I have, and I think I like the color. I like the way it turned. So let's go ahead and see the final result. So this is it all for you guys today. I hope you liked today's project. They're very easy, very simple, and you can always customize them the colors you want, the way you want. And if you want to copy what I did, you're welcome to, and that would make me happy. So if you have any more suggestions, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Any suggestions for next videos, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button because it really helps, and I really appreciate it. It helps me create more videos and more content. And that's it. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.